Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. We are back out on the water. This time we are down on the Welland Canal. And this is our view. We're heading upriver first, then we'll head back down and head out onto the Niagara River, and then out to Lake Erie and check that out. So hope you guys come along for this one. Like I said, it should be fun. Hopefully we'll have a good time doing a little exploring down here. The weather is absolutely beautiful, guys. So let's go for a rip and see what we can find. Let's go. There's Nigel from Nigel's Cheap Vlogs. Check him out. Definitely worth the views and stuff like that. So there's two of us YouTubing today. So let's enjoy this river, have a good rip, and we'll go from there, okay? Hey guys, so we made it to the end of the canal here. We've been hanging out for a little bit, had something to drink, and while we were here we got to see a freighter ship go by. So you probably just saw that in the drone footage, so pretty darn cool. So now we're going to head back up the river, out onto the Niagara River, and make our way towards Lake Erie. So let's get going. want to show you here is these are the buoys that you can't go past because then you go into the falls, which is right down there. So there's a line of them going straight that way that you're not allowed to pass. You can see on the map here, it has the cones listed, and then you're into a safety zone afterwards. That's what you gotta watch. You can't pass these here. So guys, that right, oh, there's my big finger. That's Niagara Falls, right there. Let's see if we can get a little closer. So that's the spray from the falls. I lost it. That's the spray from the falls. That's how close we are to it. Like that's very good. Let's see if I can zoom in on the falls. There they are. So you can see the mist coming off the falls right there. And we came out right there. So this is where you don't want your engine to fail. That would suck so bad. Alright guys, well we're going to continue upriver towards Lake Erie. Alright guys, so we've made it to the Point Abino Light House here on Lake Erie. Thanks for Nigel for showing it to me. I will find some stats out about this in a minute. Guys, yeah, so we're about to head back. It's going to be a bit choppy until we get into the river, so probably not going to film too much there. So we'll see you back in the river. All right, let's go. All right, guys, well, we're pretty much wrapping up the day here. The boat launch is just ahead of us, so we're going to close it down. So just want to say thanks to Nigel for coming out, taking me out and showing me. Check out his YouTube channel, Nigel's Cheap Vlogs. Great content on there, especially if you're down here in the Niagara region. He's got everything locked down here and covered, so check out his vlogs. Nigel, thanks for taking me out. Appreciate it.
Anytime, Mark. Pleasure meeting you today.
Yep, we're definitely going to be going out a lot more and exploring around Ontario and stuff, so hope you guys will maybe run into you guys out here on the water. But until the next video, just you guys be safe out on the water, have a great time, and peace. I will insert the name of the lighthouse because I will. Come on, where's a dry spot? Maybe. There. Oh, that's going to be 30 seconds. Wait. So, all right, guys. Oh, it's still wet. Look at that. Look, it's a YouTuber.